A seasoned field guide demonstrates a real-world Subzero river crossing with gear, timing, and safety checks. They anchor above the current, throw a rope using a bag, then secure the line with a solid friction hitch. Next, boot ladders and careful steps test ice, while a partner watches and provides a backup if brittle sections fail. An expert shares a cold weather anecdote about meltwater pockets and hidden currents, stressing calm breathing and measured moves. The segment ends with a practical exit plan and a concise after-action checklist for any extreme crossing.